Looking to shed those extra pounds? Here are 5 simple health tips for weight loss you can start today. Tip 1. Eat more whole foods. Focus on veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. They'll keep you full and energized without adding empty calories. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking water boosts your metabolism and helps curb hunger. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Tip 3. Move more. Whether it's a daily walk, hitting the gym, or dancing, find something you love and stay active. Tip 4. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later. Eat balanced meals to keep your metabolism running. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can slow your weight loss by affecting your metabolism and hunger hormones. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Start with these tips and see the difference. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health